You'll need the necessary tools to streamline your social media management. These tools can include social media management platforms, analytic tools, graphic design software, and scheduling apps. Again, these tools will help you stay organized and efficient in your day-to-day tasks. Next, you'll need access to social media logins. This includes login credentials for the various social media platforms you'll be managing on behalf of your clients. Make sure you have all the usernames, passwords, and access levels required to fulfill your responsibilities. Alongside with social media logins, you'll also need a branding kit. We discussed this a bit earlier. A branding kit includes your client's brand colors, fonts, logo, and any other brand assets that will be used consistently across their social media platform.